Hi guys, I'm Qasim Khan. So guys, I show you how to make tropical juice. It means all fruit. I make all fruit inside this. So this is a blender machine. Now we put inside. It spins. Look, see. And now we put in this glass windy. So guys, look at machine. Now we closing machine. And now we putting. So guys, look, we put in the bag. It make all dirt bag out. All dirt inside food. We tying bag. So now, low or off or high. We put in high. Now it's full, guys. Look, it's full. So look, all this dirt here in this bag. Now we're taking off dirt. Look how many dirt inside. We're scraping in the bag. Look, there's too much dirt. So now this is jug we put inside, jug inside. So guys, now we're pouring, mixing a little bit. Now we're pouring glass. And I'm going to tell you how is it good. Now look, it's pink. So guys, now we're trying. It's very nice. It's so delicious. And drinking more. Please like, subscribe, share. It's very nice juice. And you must try this for your kids, for your family, friends, even for your parents. Okay, bye guys, bye. Ooh la la.